In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on your PC on your Windows 11. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser, and then in the search bar, search for this. Download Chrome. And next, you will see here the first official links of Google Chrome. Just click on it here or here. For example, let's click here. And then what you have to do, just you should wait and click download Chrome. Right now it's downloading. Click open file like this and click yes. And right now it's downloading. So just wait to install your Google Chrome, and then it's going to install correctly like what I have here, guys. So I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.